Hi! In front of me is POCO C50 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this POCO. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll down just a bit to access Display section. Now scroll all the way down, click on Font and select More next to Painted with Words. Finally, just click on the best font style for you. I will go with this one. Now click on Free, wait a couple of seconds and tap on Apply. As you can see after that, when I go back, style of my font has changed. If you wish to go back to your default one, access exactly the same settings. So Display, Font, and over here, instead of Painted with Words, select My Fonts above it. Lastly, click on Roboto and tap on Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!